Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In this video we will show you how to fix authentication problem on Google Play Store. First of all, you have to open mobile settings and then go to apps and notifications. Now click on Google Play Store and then go to storage. Well, here you have to click on clear cache to fix the issue. If the problem is not solved by clicking on clear cache, you can also click on clear storage. In case the problem still exists, go back and click on force stop. It will resolve your issue. If the problem is not solved in this way also, you have to go back and click on accounts in mobile settings. Here you can see your Gmail account. Click on it. Now choose second options, account sync. Click on three dots at top right corner and choose sync now. After that, you can check the problem will be fixed. Now you can download any app from the Google Play Store. Like and share this video if it works well for you. Also subscribe Let Me Guide channel to get more problem solving videos. Thank you.